UVU's Fulton Library offers students many resources and services from our website. On the homepage, you'll find a search box that will pull up articles from journals, magazines, and newspapers, as well as print books, ebooks, sheet music, and online videos and music. You can also search for library resources by using a subject-specific database by clicking on the Databases button. Databases with the OneSearch icon are included in the homepage search. Tutorials will teach you research skills so that you can use the library like a pro. Research guides will direct you to the best resources for researching on a particular topic. Interlibrary Loan is a free service for getting materials from other libraries when you can't find them at ours. When you get stuck or need some pointers, you can get help from a librarian using our Ask a Librarian services. You can chat with us online, call, text, email, or set up an appointment with a librarian. Clicking on Ask a Librarian or Help in the navigation bar will take you to a help page where you will see a button for finding the subject librarian for your major. If you're struggling with your citations, the Citation Help page has links to citation generators, style manuals, and UVU Writing Center handouts. Further down, you'll find our Research Help Hours, where you can contact a live librarian. The other electronic resources are available 24/7. Below that is a link to our FAQ page. For more in-depth research skills training, you may want to try taking one of our 1-credit SLSS 1050 classes. We look forward to helping you succeed as a UVU student and wish you all the best.